Well, let's get on down here. First of all, I'm at www.weather.gov/LSX/ that is your St. Louis office. And this will take you right immediately to the, it gives you kind of like the map update, any warnings or watches going on. Okay, so let's kind of go down here and check this out real quick. So, continued above normal temperatures. Alright, so let's go to the weather story real quick. The weather story. So, continued above normal temperatures, we're going to have severe thunderstorms possible Monday evening. But as for the day, it's going to be mostly cloudy, 58-67. Monday, it says showers and thunderstorms be expected, and Tuesday, decreasing cloudiness. And of course, we have these color code understanding severe thunderstorm risk categories. Yellow, green, marginal. Yeah, as usual. So unreasonably warm temperatures will continue through Tuesday. A cold front forecast to move through our area Monday night. It will be windy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms, and showers and storms are likely Monday night. Of course, a few of the storms could be severe Monday evening, particularly across central Missouri with damaging wind gusts, the primary threat. It will be cooler Tuesday night behind the front. So basically, a cold front's coming in. It's going to be windy. Alright. So, that's pretty much it there. It doesn't really give you much to go on. It just kind of gives you, just a briefing for all you people who like colorful pages. So let's go to the situation report. And of course, you have to download the PDF. And here it comes. Alright, so Monday and Monday night, thunderstorm outlook. So spotter activation is possible. So that means we need to be at least available, some of us. Make sure everything's going good. Communication devices and whatnot. Okay. Yeah, but see right there, spotter activation, possible. Day 2 severe thunderstorm outlook. Alright, so Central Missouri. Well, that's where we're at. Over there where it says, Columbia, but I'm in Smithton. So the primary threat will be damaging winds. So we're just going to have streamlined winds and whatnot. Okay, so let's back out of that real quick. And just for giggles, let's go here and look at the radar. Nothing on it. Nothing on it. So let's go ahead and go back to, here's usually how I do my my weekly forecast. It's overcast. See right there, the wind gust is 28 mile an hour wind gust. So let's do this thing right here. This is usually where I go. Do it just like this. This reads it direct from the site, but I just go through the app. So, and then I go back to the app to make sure they were right. Breezy south wind, 14-20 miles. Gust is 30 mile an hour. We're going to have 30 mile an hour gusts. It's going to be 54. 30 mile an hour gusts. Okay, here's the Monday thing. It's going to be a high near 72. And then all of a sudden we're going to have a cold front move in. 43. 30 mile an hour winds. 30 mile an hour winds. Tuesday night it's going to be 34 degrees and the wind's going to be blowing 30 miles an hour. Yeah, it's going to not be fun. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. We'll go back to 61. Yeah, so we're just going to have a cold front move in Tuesday. It's going to be 30, almost near freezing. The wind's going to be blowing at 30 miles an hour. But the rest of the week, like I said, it's probably going to be windy, and it looks like it's going to go back up to where it was at. Yeah, it's going to go back up to, back to warm. So one day, basically, I used to go to USGS 7-day World Outlook. Yeah, I know I need to comb my hair a little bit. Okay. So we'll go to the world map here. There we go. And then we zoom to central U.S. That's where we're at. We're in the central United States. There's your earthquake action. Let's see if I can find a satellite. There we go. I like using the satellite one. There you go. That pretty much gives you the global or the regional. But you know what's going on in the area on the continent. That's kind of what you need to be concerned with. Right there, that's pretty good. Because we're using a terrain map, you can see a lot of the tremors are along these fault lines and rivers. You can actually see it from the air, which is pretty, I think it's pretty cool. Not the fact they have earthquakes, just the fact that now we can see it. So if you live along this area, expect earthquakes. See the crack right there? Huh. Okay. So all that's pretty much probably from... Yeah, you can tap on the little dots and stuff. So this is the USGS site. Let's see. I usually run it right about, like I said, central US. There we go. That's where I'm at. I back off one, and that's about it. That's all I'm looking at. So we're done with that. Let's see, go back up one. There we go. That's about right. Well, we're done with that. So, windy. That's what we're expecting. Lots of wind. Cold Tuesday storms. So, and remember, we have a fire burn ban thing going because of the wind. And I did light a fire last night, and it was kind of tricky because it was windy. So just be kind of cautious and aware about what you're doing when you do fire. And when you put your tent and tarps up and things like that, the wind is going to be blowing 30 miles an hour, and it's probably going to blow it right over. So anyhow, that's pretty much all I got for the day.